Tesla plans third Megafactory after breaking energy records. Tesla Energy broke multiple records for energy storage deployments and margins in 2024. And as the company recently revealed in its latest earnings call, it's also looking to establish yet another factory for its grid-scale Megapack batteries. On Wednesday, Tesla held its Q4 2024 earnings call, during which the company announced plans for a third Megafactory for production of the Megapack, following its recent completion of a second such plant in Shanghai, China. The news was shared by CEO Elon Musk, though he did not disclose where Tesla planned to build the upcoming plant. "So, we have our second factory, which is in Shanghai, that's starting operation, and we're building a third factory," Musk said. Along with starting production in Shanghai this quarter, Tesla has also been ramping up production of the Megapack at its Lathrop, California factory over the past few years, and it's eventually aiming to reach a volume production of 10,000 Megapacks per year at both factories. To add a little bit of perspective, Tesla built its 10,000th Megapack at the Lathrop facility in November after completing construction of the plant in 2022. Tesla's massive Megapack site near Melbourne is almost ready. Tesla Energy in 2024 and a look back at previous years. In addition to the Megapack, Tesla sells its Powerwall home batteries in countries around the world, and the two products together achieved record deployments in Q4 and 2024 overall. In the fourth quarter alone, Tesla deployed a record of 11 gigawatt-hours of energy storage, representing a 244% increase year over year. Through all of 2024, Tesla deployed 31.4 gigawatt-hours of energy storage total, up 114% year over year. By Q3, Tesla had also already outpaced its 2023 energy storage deployments, even before its record Q4 and full-year results. Tesla's energy deployments could also be seen ramping throughout 2024, with more Megapack and Powerwalls going out than ever, as evidenced by deployments of 4.1 gigawatt-hour, 9.4 gigawatt-hours, and 6.9 gigawatt-hours in the first, second, and third quarters of the year, respectively. Together, these amounted to a record-high gross profit for the company's energy sector in Q4, especially as production continued to ramp, resulting in cost reductions at the Lathrop Megafactory. The company has also highlighted its continued rollout of the next-generation Powerwall 3 in a number of markets, which is expected to continue into this year. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.